Welcome in e-learning classes. I hope you all are good and healthy. Students, in a series of learning Python programming, we were discussing about if-else statement. So, in this series, we will learn the next type of if-else statement, which is if-elif. If-elif statement is only available in Python. This elif keyword is only available in Python. Those who have learned C, C++, Java, they will not have these kinds of any keyword. In Python it is available, and it is used to check multiple conditions in program. Student, here is a flowchart. I'll try to make you understand with this with the help of this flowchart. So let's look see how if-elif work and how if-elif work. One note I will give, please note it. If-elif statement is used to execute false block, true block of false block. Once again I am repeating. If-elif statement is used to execute true block of false block. True block of false block. A little bit confusion, but with the flowchart there will be no doubt. Student, your program will start, then your normal programming you will write. Suppose you are going to check a condition, your condition first. So check condition first. Condition may be true or false. So if condition is going to true, this code will perform. And if condition is going to become false, at the time of when condition is going to false, another you have to check condition. This is your condition. Second, now this condition may be true or may be false. If true, then this statement will happen. If false, then you can continue it. Here check condition 2, then true, false. So I have given only two conditions. So first condition, if it become true, this statement will happen. If condition will false, again a new condition will be checked, and then condition may be true or false. If it will true, then this statement will execute. If this condition is become false, this statement will happen, and then at last all these statement will executed, then program will stop. Student, pause this video, go through this entire execution at least 2 or 3 times. Then all your doubt will clear. If still you are having any doubt, write in my comment, and during writing comment, please subscribe my channel. I will give all the answers. And students, just write all the notes which I have given to you. Write this flowchart also. And here I am going to draw this syntax. See how if-elif work. Syntax, it is also very important. So student, if will start, in the if a condition will check, colon, and normal execution will start from here. Here is statement. First, if this condition become false, so else part will execute, but in the else part if is available, which make it elif. Again a condition. So you can say that condition first, condition second, colon, I am writing it correct, condition first, colon will available. Again condition 2 will check. If condition is going to true, the statement 2 will execute. Otherwise else part, and in the else part statement 3 will execute. Student, write your complete note. I am going to make it in circle till. Okay student, this is syntax of elif statement. Student, if you are having little bit confusion, just go through 2 or 3 times of this execution. All your doubts will clear. Stay healthy. Thank you. Good luck.